Well, you probably can't hear this at all, but so you can see my face. Just want to talk to you guys. Like, I know many people have gone like 6. Somebody just barely watched my video. A couple people just watched that video too. I'm actually enjoying it. Which you guys like? I'm not sure, but just want to be noticed by people. Like, it's weird, but yeah, I was checking out my channel, checking out my views. Like, I was checking it out. Like, likes. People watching right now. I want you guys to tell me, give me comments, tell me if I'm doing good, change anything. Anything in this one, leave your comments. Let me know what's going on and what you want to know about it. All that stuff. Sorry, it's like 3. I couldn't get any sleep. I'm sleeping on my cousins. Yeah, let me know what should I do. What games should I play? Free games, though, like free computer games. I'll try to play them. Sorry, I can't get new games right now. I will soon, in like a month or 2. But sorry, I uploaded a video yesterday and I forgot to, and I forgot to today, so I decided to just upload tonight. If you guys watch this, give a like, subscribe, put more good videos. Got a lot of scary games like the Mori 2-pack. Spooky says jump scares. More Meat Boy, Organized Thief, yep. Well, tomorrow I'll get this uploaded. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Awesome mode.